Hi, I hope you're doing well today. Quick intro about me. My name is Ann-Britt Skin Makes, and I've been in the beauty skincare industry for 30 years. I'm a beauty therapist, holistic therapist, and that's your quick intro. Today's video is all about the ordinary sunscreen SPF 30 with antioxidants. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. I'm going to do a 101. I'm going to tell you about the ingredients, and I'm going to do a demo, and I'm going to give you my conclusion and review about this mineral sunscreen. So let's get into it. So excuse the oil slicky, but you know, I just finished a day at work and it was more important for me to get this video out to you guys. So without further ado, let's get to it. So let's first talk about mineral sunscreen versus chemical sunscreen. So chemical sunscreens work by absorbing UV rays into the skin and then converting them UV rays into heat, and then that's released by the skin. Now, mineral sunscreens, how do they work? Mineral sunscreens work. Well, they use minerals such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which physically block the UV radiation. So they actually sit on the skin. They are not absorbed into the skin, the same as chemical sunscreens. So they use minerals which are zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and that's why we have the famous white cast, because they are white minerals. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are anti-inflammatory, they're suitable for sensitive skin, and they are non-comedogenic. So when it comes to the ordinary sunscreen that I'm going to demonstrate for you, applying it on and giving you my review. Now, I have oily, sensitive and mature skin, so you know. So I have been trying this out and I've gave it a good try out, but I'm going to save the best for last. I'm going to let you know. So I have been trying the ordinary mineral sunblock out because I actually would prefer, if I can, to find the perfect mineral sunblock, because I do live in an extremely hot climate. However, any mineral sunblocks I have tried in the past unfortunately haven't worked for me because they have not sat nice under makeup. And I'm going to let you know, by the way, I'm only wearing BB cream and a bit of concealer and a dusting of powder, so it's not as if I'm full on with foundation. I'm going to show you closer up what my skin looks like with this. It's been on my skin all day. Now I will say it has left my skin a lot more matte than normal because my skin is very oily, and especially in a humid climate. However, my makeup did sit nice, apart from on the bottom here. I don't know if you can see, it went very mottled. Now I don't know, because I do have that issue in the summertime here. I don't know if it's the humidity or if it's because of this sunscreen. However, let's get into the demo where I'm going to show you me applying the sunscreen, and I'm also going to talk about the ingredients that are in here, because they actually have some really nice ingredients in here that are so beneficial for the skin. So let's get to it. Let me first of all just spritz my skin. We would apply your moisturizer, so I'm just going to quickly put this on. The natural moisturising factors and HA, before I talk about the rest of the ingredients that are in this sunscreen. Before I put the sunscreen on, let's quickly talk about the other fantastic ingredients that are in this mineral sunscreen. So we have zinc oxide, we have titanium dioxide. I'll pop the percentages up on the screen. That's your UVA, UVB filters. We have Tasmanian pepperberry, famous in the ordinary. They have that in the glycolic acid solution also, and that's very calming, very soothing, and it de-stresses the skin. We have glycerin, which is an excellent humectant and moisturizer. We have microalgae, which reduces inflammation and sun damage and is anti-aging benefits. It's an antioxidant. We have rosemary leaf extract, which is anti-inflammatory. It treats inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema, and it unclogs blocked pores. So we also have vitamin E, which is another excellent antioxidant, maintains the skin barrier, getting tongue twisted, and has anti-aging, antioxidant. And we have sunflower oil, which strengthens and soothes the skin and is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. We have linoleic and oleic acids, which are essential fatty acids. That's decongesting, soothing, calming, balances and repairs the skin, good for the skin barrier. And we also have Picea mariana bark extract. I will write it up on the screen, but that is rich in antioxidants also. So now, with that all being said, I'm going to apply this. So I just had applied the moisturizer, so I'm going to apply that much there. Makeup actually surprisingly went on fine. Like, I just gave it time to dry down, but I will say, like, as I showed you before, it had that mottling down here, but I'm not sure if it's the actual sunscreen or if it's just with the humidity, because I do have that issue. That's why I'm always on the hunt for the perfect sunscreen. Now, as you can see, yes, it does leave a slight white colour. You can see it's went into my open pores here. Now, the issue I had when I had been trying this for a few days is I checked my skin really close up. Now, it didn't feel uncomfortable. It didn't feel itchy or anything like that, because this is supposed to be non-comedogenic. Doesn't block the pores. However, let me tell you this, last week down here I had blackheads, random blackheads all down here, and I couldn't tell you the last time I had blackheads. Yeah, I do have oily skin, but my skin is mature, so the only thing that I was using that was different was the sunscreen. So that was my issue, and that's unfortunately the problem that I do have when I try mineral sunscreens. So yeah, as you can see, it takes a little bit for it to get in there, but and then also you have to wipe your hairline off around here before you put your makeup on, or it's really obvious. But yes, unfortunately, I would have loved for this to have worked, but for me it didn't. Maybe for you it will. So maybe for dry skin this is actually better. I really couldn't say, but for me personally, no. And it does feel sticky. As I say, you have to wait a bit to put your makeup on. But that is my review. Now, to take off mineral sunscreen, the best thing to use is an oil cleanser, because yes, it does just sit on top of the skin. That is the whole difference with the chemical, and the mineral sunscreen just stays there. So let's get back to what I was talking about before. So let's talk about the packaging and the storage. So you should keep this in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, and it comes in a rose gold neat little tube here, and it's a 50 mils, and the price is $9.70. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I don't bite, I'm very down to earth. So until the next skincare video, I will say adios, over and out, and thank you for watching. Bye.